Good morning, class 9. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, your English language and literature teacher, welcoming you to your learning platform of our school. So students, in previous videos, I have uploaded the videos of important chapters which you have to study for the examination point of view. Dear students, today I have decided you to teach the lesson The Happy Prince, which has been taken from your moment book. Students, this is a story of a happy prince who is not alive. Actually, he is in form of a beautiful statue. He is covered with gold. He had sapphires for eyes and ruby in the sword. Why did he want to part with all? Part with means to be separated, to keep it ahead, all the gold that he had and his precious stones. Students, the Happy Prince is a story of a prince, one who was very much happy when he was just there in the royal building. He had no any sufferings, he has no any tensions, he has no any frustration. Rather, he was enjoying his life very much. But when he died, a statue in his name was built, and now he is in position to look over all the sufferings of the city. What are his views? What are his opinions? How does he feel whenever he finds anybody in his town, in his city, suffering from any problem? Students, his statue stood high above the city, and the Happy Prince, who was covered with thin leaves of fine gold, and for eyes he has other precious stones, and his sword was also just made of some important and precious stones. One night there flew over the city a little swallow. His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before, but he had stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too. There has been a beautiful bird, migratory bird is there, and she has been left behind. All her friends have gone to the place where they love to go, and this particular bird was left behind, but it was trying to be there, to be in the company of her friends, but it was a little bit late. But the bird was on the way to Egypt. All day long he flew, and at night time he arrived at the city. The bird continued the journey for the whole day, and when it was going to be evening, the bird reached in the city in which the Happy Prince was standing in form of a statue. Where shall I put up? There was a question before the bird. The bird wanted to have rest, the bird wanted to have shelter and a safe place where she could pass her night comfortably. This question was always alarming her, and ultimately the bird came to know that the whole town, the town in which the Happy Prince was standing, the bird realized that the whole town was about to sleep, and this time was for taking rest comfortably. Then the bird saw the statue of the Happy Prince. The statue of the Happy Prince was so high that it could be seen from any corner of the city, and it was looking so beautiful, it was looking so tall, that it drew attention of the bird, which was flying all around the city. The bird decided that the bird will put up there. It means the bird decided to have shelter under or around the Happy Prince statue, and it was a fine position. The bird thought and came and just realized that the place where the bird had decided to stay was a fine position with plenty of fresh air. It was a little bit taller than all other buildings around the place, so there was possibility of having fresh air. So the bird alighted, came down, and just between the feet of the happy prince decided to pass that very particular night. The bird was very much happy because the golden bedroom the bird got there, and the bird was very much proud that the bird got the chance, and she prepared to go to sleep. The bird decided to sleep, but God had decided something else. But just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. The moment the bird was trying to sleep, what happened? Droplets of water started falling. Not so many droplets, 1 or 2 or 3 might be. Droplets of water started falling on him, and this was really a surprising thing for the bird. The bird cried and started looking at the sky, and the bird found the sky very much clear. There was no sign of cloud. There was not a single cloud in the sky, and the stars were quite clear and bright, and yet it was raining. This question was really surprising the bird. The bird got surprised and started his level best to find out the solution to the problem. How did the bird come to know about the reality of the tears? Students, we shall discuss it in next video. Thank you.